was in there. It's calm.
Did you hear that cut off?
Mm-hmm.
See?
Oh, yeah. You see the door open right there.
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
Mm-hmm. You had a baby, it's a girl.
There's her coming out of there now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's a black girl too.
Mm-hmm.
And she calm. She calmly got out of there too. She didn't call the police. She just called the tow truck. I guess you won't get a ticket if you do it that way.
And she's telling him, don't break my accent.
So she said,
somebody else in there? There's somebody else in there.
Oh, yep, somebody else is coming up.
Is there somebody else in there? No, that one's crying. Yeah. The other one's crying. The second one that they came out.
I said, there's usually water down there.
And is there another one coming out?
I'm surprised they didn't call the police. Like, you would have thought they'd have called the police for a rescue. Let's see. They're angry now. He might wonder if he's called.
Oh,
Can you at least put it on back on the street and I will send my payment? I'll call that truck. She gonna get paid.
well, they're not going to do it because they can't pay him. Call the cops.
That's crazy.
No, let's be cool. Okay, let's get it out of this, please. I got the 400. My purse is in the car. Give me my purse. Whatever is needed. But for me as a consumer, can you put it on 4 wheels first? And I will just give you the money.
It's a good thing he called the second guy. Mm-hmm.
He said 400 to get that shit out of there.
You know, right? Huh? Okay. So I was just wondering, there's one happening. And I
She gets
this is
it.
our profession. I
That's
get
all right.
if y'all bag it up and put up this thing, will that work? What about the back?
So they're telling him they can't pull it out because the rate's in there.
Wait!
Get them out first.
What is the game plan? Always tilting.
How in the fuck did they
And
get
it's
in
that
there?
way.
Yes. And you won't be able to see
Is
the
there
ends
not a
because
bar that y'all can hook that up to?
You tell them with that car that it is for the police car.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, I need that. Yeah.
That's gonna fall and do something crazy.
Bus.
Dude.
Mm-hmm. If you want to see what's going on, go up to my room and shut the light off and look out my window.
I feel like they're gonna call the police because
One of these cops. There's always cops back here. Why are they not now?
All the way at the end, where you can drag it all the way to the end, you know what I'm saying?
you can't. That's a long way
How
to
you
go
get
there.
caught with the speed?
That's a long way to pull that, what she's talking about.
Mm-hmm.
You get in this truck.
You go in the bed.
So you finna take them somewhere or show them how far that is, 'cause that's a long way.
Because did they want to go out this way?
Yeah, that's a long way to pull that down. Like literally all the way to the street is where they were gonna take that all the way to Honeycutt.
Mm. Yeah, I see.
And I only know it because I said I've been back there and that looks that good.
No, it ain't happening because he turned around.
Yeah, going that way, it's still gonna be long down there. They're like in the middle.
Yeah. Some people laying down to go to bed.
I mean, I guess I could say he's trying to help unless he's stalling to do something else. Cause like there's no way to pull that out. Like, cause there's no like slant to go up. That's in there. They're gonna have to do. I don't even know how they even gonna get that out of there like that. You see, I gotta go smoke me some. Yeah, see, as I said, both ends are
Close.
far. And it's like, I feel like one would have to be in there steering that car. But again, that water's down here. And I don't know if it's dry right now. And that dirt down here is.
Where's the truck at? Is that those lights
Oh,
right
at the
there?
end down there? Yeah. That dirt, or if it's water, whatever is down there, it's like sand. So it's like salt.
Yeah, well, you see him the way he was struggling to get them out.
And I only know that because that one down there got that ball and I stepped in it. And it's nothing but mud.
Yeah.
Like I said, you can tell that they want it out of there before the police comes, because they're gonna get a ticket if the police come. Because then you're gonna be wondering what the hell is y'all doing. And I was just talking about that the other day because it was at that house like in Phoenix where that car went through the house or something and it went through a wall. So I was sitting there thinking that like that would be the only thing with us. A car would have to jump that to get through here. Like you would have to go airborne over that to even get to this part. I'm surprised ain't nobody called the police. Well, they probably don't know that's what it is either. They was in there calmly, quietly. Like
The only one that's freaking out is that one in the black shirt.
You just fell in there like that and you didn't scream or yell or nothing.
I hope he took his keys out.
Oh yeah, like it took off in this truck. Try the lights the other way. I was gonna put them on the inside.
I would just leave them on the outside, otherwise it's an invitation.
Yeah, it's an invitation to be wet all up. See, the thing about it, somebody gonna have to get in there to turn the steering wheel, and that thing is sideways.
Okay, like, what the hell is he doing?
Jeez. He wasn't on the speed limit.
Did you need to make it home?
Hmm.
Did you need to make it home? $400 fucking dollars.
Hmm.
I said $400 fucking dollars.
I mean,
$400.
oh yeah, for pulling that out. That's probably from what all it is, because I told Ziggy, like, remember that was what they was trying to charge me to take that car from over there to over here. I'm gonna put it in that same group. Put in that message.
You want message?
Doing it, both of them in it. Well, I think they would. Oh, you got it. So they turned that steering wheel up.
I can't drive it anyways. Look at that fucking tire.
See what's passing them up. Like if they would have been able to turn the tow truck up that road, it would be able to pull. It's a nice truck. It look like too.
It's all fucked up on this side though.
Oh yeah, it's probably smashed down on the inside. So they wanted that 400. Now it's like that truck would have to move up, but that pole's right there. That mosquito that bit me on my finger. to see if I'm for sure if the police would have came, they would have got a ticket.
How can they drive it like that, though?
Might not even be able to drive because all them floors, they might have to put, they're going to probably have to put it all the way up on that truck and take it.
It's always
Boy,
cool.
that thing got a whole ditch. So I'm guessing that water ain't down there right now because that would have had that all wet up.
That tire is fucked up like that. That front one. That front tire is messed up.
Oh yeah, so they're gonna have to get that towed somewhere. Like I said, they got lucky because they was all getting loud with them. Them dudes could have been like, all right, well, fuck it, we're gonna lead us down there. These two girls. I said, I don't know how they, I'm just wondering what they did to get that down there.
It turns on.
Well, you know they can't drive off no kind of way. Well, I have to pay that money because they're gonna put that on that truck. Let's start it. Well, that's still drivable. The tires didn't go flat.
Well, once it's up there, they have to pay that money, right?
They got it there now. That's up on that thing. Recording too.
These two boys. Drove their car into the creek.
30 minutes.
No.
It took 30 minutes.
They were in the book like this. And they pulled it out. Like that. And then got it up there.
Because? Or
I don't know. He kept saying, I'm going to have to call the cops. And she was like, no.
well, I heard a car drive by.
That's part of their tires. And they try to get crazy with them first. And then they calm down. They were
Kind of
trying to
safe
find
they
like,
could have
don't drink
walked
the
away.
alcohol, don't do this, don't do that. And then about the money, and he was like, she goes, $400 for them to pay this. No, they're good. Yeah.